Yes, Stephen, to my she's in Shulin, the Buchli, Ugs, Nakalini, O Shulin, and you just released a brand new single. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we have our single release now since Donald Shakat, and we have the video up on YouTube and everything. Ding Chohawan, it's called, and you can get it on Spotify and iTunes and Google Play and the likes, you know yourself.
Absolutely, it's everywhere. Now we've invited you guys along to play us out. It's our last show of the season. Came Fogger Rowney Shiv on their own show.
Round Wood's Fairy Tale New York, because it's one of the big ones really in Ireland. I think if you're to ask anyone what's their favourite Christmas song, Fiocach Sheed, Fairy Tale New York,
Absolutely.
It's
my favourite one as well. So thank you so much for doing this. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. We'll see you guys next year. Take it away.
Smeig arts na noltach Der shanar nyakilon She an hall yaroi Shin chas she oran Honor old mountain dew Chromei mo hyanga kyun Is hui me fusa Be all leshingan Rucha mochti go heim Adi mishtimachri Gerlin an vlein shorun Is nalig honoret Is tu mich levi Feki mar loit ticht Sme gach rotau Van Reen a char roads and need a clear clutch and scrape beyond Hawkesbury Harbour.
So now drag Luska, Mochrisha, Egg Muslim, with a bogus sick douse and gone in Nifrin Steel.
Sun Cor on NYPDC, the Castle Galway Bay.
It's the click, Nick shines a mark, every month.
Skelita her junk, shin the grab and shin home, the connocks and glue.
At leaving at Hunners, Cox Martin on Dunners, not like Hoddock Mahomes, nor Becca Dreesh Khan.
It's Sun Cor on NYPDC, the Castle Galway Bay.
It's the click, Nick shines a mark, every month.
Free, Subon is far more heel shot. It's Sun Cor on NYPDC, the Castle Galway Bay. It's the click, me shines a mark, every month day.
Castle Galway Bay. It's the click and we shines a mock every mock day.